So Bachem is a leading innovation-driven company specialising in the development and manufacture of peptides and oligonucleotides, supporting pharmaceutical and biotech companies from the drug discovery right through to commercial supply. Okay, so Bachem's headquartered in Switzerland with sites in the US, but here in the UK, we're based here in St Helens in the Liverpool City region. So I became aware of the support the VEC through the Horizons project was given to SMEs based in the Liverpool City region. So there was no one particular idea that we wanted to kind of develop moving forward. As I say, we're a very innovation-driven company. We had lots of ideas bubbling through, and it was more about getting guidance and focus on particular areas where the VEC team could help us.
To start the project, we toured the site, we identified the key areas for the scan, and we discussed how to do it in a way that would minimise downtime and disruption to the lab. After that, it was a really simple process of walking around with team members from the VEC, taking the scan and moving throughout the building, just trying to do that with minimal disruption as possible. In total, it took a day and caused hardly any interruption to production at all. The initial impressions were amazing. Yeah, it was a lot more detailed and a lot easier to use than I ever expected. And even from that initial scan, we're already in discussion on how we're going to take that further, such as visualising it using tools like Blender or Unreal Engine. With health and safety specifically, we've already had an external assessment. We're planning a big project. Normally that would involve having someone come in and draft up floor plans and a lot of other expensive work. And with this tool in place, we were able to just send a link and have them virtually explore the space and get all the answers they needed with absolutely no back and forth whatsoever. The two areas we've identified straight away are going to be in planning for future capex and large project investments. It's going to allow us to visualise new equipment in the space, make sure it fits in the dimensions, and we're going to have no issues with delivery.
VEC work with a wide range of businesses across different sectors. We help them to adopt different digital technologies, help them to improve processes and implant more efficiencies into their businesses. Following some initial conversations, we came into Bachem UK and the team sat together and we learnt a little bit more about Bachem UK and what they do and how they operate. We decided to go with a starting point of collecting data, and that involved scanning. Once we did the initial capture, we brought all that data together and generated a digital twin of the site. Through that, you can dive in, you can look at different sections of the site, you can see different floor levels, and you've basically got a floor plan of the site. The result of this work for Bachem UK is that it's going to maximize efficiency, improve productivity, and implant new skills into their organization as well. So this collaboration has also brought out new ideas for how we could take things forward in the future with Bachem UK, from AI to machine learning and also integration of robotic technologies.
My advice to others would be don't wait. Even if you don't have an exact project in mind now, the VEC will help you figure out how to maximise the value from the project, and it's a lot less disruptive than you might think.